In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to download and play Euro Truck Simulator 2 on your PC or Mac in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. First, open Google and search for Steam. Click on the official Steam website. Once there, look for the Install Steam button and click on it. Scroll down and ensure you're on the correct URL, which is wamstore.steampowered.com/about/. Now, tap on the Install button to download Steam. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder, find the Steam setup file, and double-click it to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After installing, open the Steam application. Now, in the Steam app, use the search bar located at the top right corner. Type Euro Truck Simulator 2 and press Enter. Once the game appears, click on it to open its page. Scroll down and you'll find the download or purchase option, depending on your region. When you click the download button, it will show you the game's size. Afterward, you'll see an install button. If the button isn't showing up, it might be because there's not enough space on your PC. Make sure to free up some space and then proceed. Once installed, you're all set to start playing Euro Truck Simulator 2. And that's how you can download and play the game in just a few easy steps.